Happy day grade 1 children. Today we are going to learn before and after number. So we know the numbers and we have to know what number will come before the particular number and what number will come after the particular number. We are going to learn that now. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have wrote the numbers from 1 to 9. So I am going to circle number 5. So this is my number. I have to find out the number which comes before 5. Which comes before 5. Before means the number will come in a left side. Keep remember that before means the number which come left side. So what is in the left side? Number 4. Before 5 we will get 4. Then we will get 3, 2, 1. This all are the before numbers. The next one is after number. After means right side. What is the number after the particular number? After this 5 we are having number 6. So after 5 we will get 6. So in a number sequence, if we know the number, we have to know what number will come before the particular number and what number will come after the particular number. For example, I have taken number 5. So number 5, before means you have to see your left side after the number, before the number. So you will having 4 here. Then after means you have to see right side after the given number. So you are having number 6 here. Keeping this in your mind shortly, A, this after, for after means you can remember the small a. The small a, the curve, it will come like this, right? After means a. A means you have to see the number which see the curve. In the curve order direction, you have to see the number. For example, if I ask you to find the number which comes after 6, so write a here and what the where is the curve is looking 7, 8, 9. So your after number is after 6 you will get 7, 8, 9. In the same way before. Before means small letter B. Keep in mind before means small letter B. For this so I am going to find out the number which comes before 7. Write B. See where the curve is looking number 6. So before 7 I will get 5 and 6. So this is the way to learn it. Before means the number which comes before it. Then you have to see your left side, and after means if you come after the particular number you have to see your right side. Then keep remember this small a and small b. Small a curve will be looking the right side number and small b curve will be looking the left side number. Keeping